Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to find and recover deleted message on Facebook. Now it's an extremely easy process. So firstly what you do is open your messenger. Now to see the deleted messages, firstly what you can try is just simply go to the archive of your messenger by clicking on the three lines at the top left corner, then click on archive, and right over here you find all of your deleted messages. Now let's say you don't have your deleted message right over here. So in that case what you can do is just simply go to a Facebook account. So open your Facebook. So in Facebook, click on the three lines at the top right, then click on the settings icon at the top. Now scroll down and over here you will have an option of download your information. Click on that. Now over here just simply click on request download. Now choose the account that you want to download the information from. So in this case, it's going to be my Facebook. So click on that and next. Now over here you will have an option to copy all the messages that you have or just simply select some part of the information. So you can go both the ways. So I'm going to show you how to do both of them. So first, let's say you want to download a certain part of your information. Click on that option, second one. And right over here, you'll find all the options. So over here, all you do is just simply click on messages and then scroll down. And if you want anything else, you can also choose it. But for me, I only want messages. Now all you have to do is just simply click on next and you will be able to download the messages. Now all you have to do is just simply click on next and you will be able to download your message. Just simply click on submit. Just simply click on submit request and a download file will pop up in your phone. Now to copy the entire data, all you have to do is just simply choose the first option. And over here, all you do is just simply click on submit request and every single data about your Facebook and Messenger will be downloaded. So let me show you how to do that. All you have to do is click on submit request, then wait for a few minutes over here. Now as you can see right over here, our download request has been sent and within few days, the entire data will be downloaded on your device and it will also be sent to you on your email and it will also be sent to you on your email and the link will also be sent on your email and even in your message where you can just simply click on that and download the data from there as well. That's it and thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Take care.